Hello everyone, welcome to jobskillshare.org. You must be wondering, what is this? Before I get into this specific single lab, I want to share something with you guys that I've been talking about library access to get a library access, and that's going to be very beneficial for you guys. The reason is this, that you will work on online labs like CompTIA, A+, and things like that, right? If you go for the single lab, which is fine. But very soon you will it's a 1-year access. So very soon, if you're working in some environment, you may come across like VMware virtualization, and then you will be looking for that kind of labs then. Or maybe you will come across servers, as you can see right here, then you will be looking for server labs. Maybe you will look for networking, something that like routers. So let me show you quickly. Maybe you got hired by a company where you're just logging into switches and routers for the first time and just doing like a basic tier 1 type of thing, and that labs could be also very beneficial. Now this is the reason I tell people to go for library access for 1 year, because then you have everything and you don't need to buy extra labs. But let's say you don't like this idea of the full lab because it's a little bit more money, of course, because it has everything, and you are looking into one single lab that can give you the maximum. So my goal for in this platform that I partner with is to find something that can give you the maximum benefit with our courses. Now this is the lab that I picked for you guys. 7741 practice lab networking with. Now this lab focused on only about these things. Like when you get into it, you're going to see something like this. So basically, when you purchase this lab, you will see like this. And then the reason I wanted to show you this picture, because of the domain controller and how many other machines that you get, and that has a lot of memory in these two servers, 8 gigs, 4, and then you have 2 client machines to work on. So this is what I call a single lab, where it can help you a lot without spending too much money. Now this is the option that I least prefer, but let's say you're not into that library access, you think you can just get that later on, that's fine. Then this is the deal that I'm going to provide everyone over here. Now this price right here, $69.99, is not available outside on the site. It's not available. So anyone watching this video, consider this like a discount link. So I'm going to paste that link into the description, and then you can get to the $69.99. Now take a benefit of this, guys. My job is to kind of work with the vendor, bring the prices down, but at the same time I want to give you a quality where you can, for 1 year at least, you have all these machines available to you without spending too much money. Now I know a lot of people are going through A+, and they're starting career, they're students and all that. So this is going to really help them. If you're not into the full library access, you don't want to spend that kind of money, then this is a perfect option for you, because it gives you a domain controller, it gives you 2 servers with 8 gigs of RAMs, then it gives you at least 3 servers right here, and then it gives you Windows 10 and Windows 8 machine with one single lab. Now the only point of this video is going to be that you're not going to be following that lab that's being covered in this platform. Like basically you will see something like about networking, Hyper-V. Now of course you can finish it. It's kind of like a PDF, and then you follow it. The only drawback of these labs are that you get 90 minutes, and you can always reset it to 90 and get him till you finish the whole thing. You can reset it to 90, refresh it again and again. But once the labs are restarted, logged off, it will not save anything. But it's still a good practice for you. You have a domain controller, take an Active Directory course, then use the domain controller and the machines right here. Imagine the Active Directory course is only 3 to 4 hours, even less than that, and you can finish all the users, managing computers, even group policy in Active Directory. You can do so much with this one lab that I don't think you will need anything else if you're looking for something like this, like just learning the basic stuff from our courses like help desk and stuff like that. So anything with Microsoft like Active Directory, group policy, DHCP, DNS, you have a full lab that has so much in there, so much resources for $69.99 only in this video. So if you want to share this video with other people and take a benefit of this lab, then go ahead, you are allowed to share that. If you want to use it yourself, this is the price right here, and this is going to be available only through video and this description link that I'm going to post. So enjoy, guys. I will work on other labs and see if I can do something similar like this.